Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain. Let's answer this question. Paano if 1 year pa lang daw yung work experience and di related yung degree for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa? So first and foremost, yung experience kasi tsaka degree, how it works is it's an end or situation. So pwedeng pareho kang may degree na related sa job title mo or sa industry mo ngayon, or pwede din na meron kang 3 years work experience. So, pwede siyang combined. Meron yun. And pwede din na degree lang yung meron ka and you have maybe under a year of work experience, and or degree lang yung meron ka tapos let's say 6 months ka pa lang sa company, ganun. So, qualified yun. Or if 3 years pa lang or more than 3 years yung work experience mo pero wala ka talagang degree related sa work experience mo ngayon, that's also fine. So, yun yung with this. But definitely, kung 1 year pa lang yung work experience mo and hindi related yung degree, you're not able to apply for the Spain Digital Nomad Visa. Kailangan kasi either yon or both sila meron ka. So, I hope that helps. And thank you so much for watching. Ciao!